Hello friends, this is me Asghar Khan, your VFX tutor. Today I am gonna teach you fresh elements of TT elements. In previous class we discussing color property of TT elements. So let's start our video. First question is that what is fresh elements? There are certain phrase elements which allow displaying a program code in a different form and emphasizing on the textual content with a different look. For example, code display a computer program. TFN display the definition of a term. EM emphasizes the enclosed text. SAMP display a simple output of computer program. VAR display a variable name. A variable refer to block of memory that holds a value which is referred by the variable name. So friend, what are you waiting? Let's go demonstrate how to use the phrase element in a web page. First we go to the start menu and open the notepad. In notepad we are typing HTML, then head, then title. We are giving the title to the topic which is phrase elements, and then close the title, and then close head. Now open the body. Now we make a heading which is a subheading H3. H1 is a main heading, H2, H3 is a subheading, and giving the phrase element, giving the name phrase elements. Now close the heading. Now we use a TFN, display the definition of a term. So we write Microsoft Excel. Now giving the TFN. Now getting the definition is a spreadsheet program. Now close the DFN. Now giving the TR back. Now we make a heading for word. We write capital D and function, heading function. Now close the word. Now we type a paragraph. So P for paragraph, and we use code which is display a computer program. So type CODE code and equal SUM sum, and now first cell address, and last cell address. Now close the code. Now typing is the function that adds values appearing in the given cell range, in the given range. Now giving a break. Now we add the EM or emphasis the enclosed tag. First cell address. Now close the EM. Is the address of the starting cell from where you want to start. The addition operation. Now take a break. Here. Now we next add another the EM. So we just copy this. Control C, Control V, the EM. Now we add here, we select last cell. In first we select first cell, in this we select last cell. Where you want to add the values. Now we use the code code sum code close. This operation used for addition. This used for function adds all the numeric values. So we type here to understand you. Function adds all the numeric values existing in the cell. In the cells between the first cell and the last cell. The first cell and the last cell. And now close the paragraph. An example of code sum code close function Now we use SAMP element, display a sample output of computer program that display the program. So SAMP equal sum, or we select A1 and A3 cell. So A1 and A3 cell. Now close the SAMP. Now close the body. And now close the HTML. And go to file and save, then see what happened to this program. So go to file and save as on a desktop dot HTML extension and save. Now see the final result. So you can see that. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friend.